So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan for the digital, terrestrial or the antenna channels on your Redline onto the antenna input at the back of your decoder. We have the antenna input, which is the RF in, and we have the LMB in. The LMB in for the satellite dish or for the LMB cable. So you need to connect the antenna cable from your antenna pole onto the RF in or the antenna in. That's the antenna in at the back of your Redline decoder. And the next thing you have to do is to press on the menu button on your remote, and you proceed with whatever you have to do next. So from the menu page, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation and you press OK on it. So from the installation page, we have the antenna setting. And the next thing you have to do is to press on the menu button on your remote, and you proceed with whatever you have to do next. So from the menu page, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation and you press OK on it. So from the installation page, we have the antenna setting. That's for the satellite settings. You have satellite list, transponder list. All these options are for satellite settings. So you come down to the DVB-T. That's where you need to set for the terrestrial or the digital or the antenna channels. So from this page, we have some command down below. All you have to do is to press on the info button on your remote for the country list to pop up. Then you select your country, which is Ghana. So you press on the info button for the country list to pop up, and then you scroll down just to put it on Ghana. That's your country. All right, so you press OK on it, and here the next thing that you have to do, if you have a stable signal from the antenna and you know what exactly you are trying to scan to get on your decoder, you know a particular channel and their frequency, you can select that particular frequency, and then you proceed to do the manual search to get those particular channels. By here, you're going to use your antenna. Since you are positioning it to get a stable signal, you're going to use your antenna to actually scan through the weather. Any FTA antenna or digital channel that is available in your area is going to come over there. So all you have to do is to proceed to scan. So this step, you have to proceed to scan, whereby you have already stable your antenna, and after performing the scan and you're unable to get any channels at all you have to do is to change the position or the direction of your antenna, and then you do the auto search once again to check if you're gonna get a stable signal. And depending on your location and the signal availability, the antenna signal availability, you can even place the antenna pole under your bed, in your bedroom, anywhere at all. And in some locations too, since they are not very close to the antenna main pole, you have to mount a long pole for you to actually get the signal. So for you to have a clue about where exactly you will get the signal, just look around your neighborhood. You're gonna find some antenna being mounted. If it has been mounted on a long pole, after placing it in your room or at a short distance and you're unable to get it, just have it on a long pole and you are good to go. So you press on the blue button on the remote, and here you change the scan type to auto, and the channel type too, you can select the FTA only to actually eliminate all those channels that will come along with the dollar sign. You can leave it on all as well, and then you press OK to start search. So after scanning here, the channels that will come after scanning will depend on the signal strength and the signal quality of your antenna pole or the antenna. So if you are not impressed with the channels that come along after scanning, you can place the antenna at a different direction, and then you perform the same auto search to search whether you're gonna get more of the channels available. So that's it. You wait for it to complete scanning and you get access to the channels that will come along with it. So if you have watched this video up to this far and you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe. You hit the bell icon and you keep coming back for more. You lose nothing by subscribing to this channel. So thanks for watching and bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.